Welcome to Screengoat. Here's how to link Google Drive to Premiere Pro and use it to store your project and media files. First, open the Google Drive app on your computer and give it permission to sync. Depending on how much media you have, this may take a while. You will see the Google Drive icon appear at the top of your screen in the menu bar. You will also see it appear in your Finder window on the left-hand side. When you open Premiere Pro, it is easy to click Google Drive as a location. Create a folder to help keep your media organized, or access a pre-existing folder that already has your files uploaded. Pull your media into your project, create your edit, and export as usual. I'm going to send it to the same Adobe Google Drive folder. And that is how to use Google Drive as media storage for Premiere Pro. See you next time on Screengoat.